right. Today, yep. Today we are going to gather peach seeds. We gave our chickens a bunch of peaches last week that had some worms and stuff. So you guys, this is a peach seed. So today, for step 1 of this science project, we're gonna gather as many of those as we can.
And put them in the bag.
Yep. Okay. Now this is just our experiment. If you know anything about fruit trees, you know that a lot of times the fruit does not grow true to the mother plant. So if you just take an apple seed out of your apple, it will grow an apple tree, but the apples that apple tree produces might not taste very good. So we're gonna plant a whole bunch and see if we can get some trees and see what the fruit turns out. So this project is gonna probably take many, many years, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. We've grown a peach seed from seed before, and the tree, when I planted it outside, it actually died. So figure we'll do a whole bunch.
There's actually a difference between peach seeds and rocks.
Yeah,
They
definitely.
look a little different.
Show them the rock.
So this is a rock. Well, up on here. This is a rock. They are less bumpy than the peaches. Can you see? I found one. It's more smooth. Let me check it. That's a peachy. Oh, peachy! Why are these magic if we are peeling on the ground? Do the chickens spit them out?
The chickens ate the peaches we gave them.
So they spit the seeds out.
No, the seeds are in the middle of the peach.
They eat around the middle? They ate around the seed. This bag is getting heavy.
All right. While you guys are doing that, we'll show the rabbits. Come here, Haley.
I want to show my rabbits.
All right.
Let's go to the rabbit section.
Check over there, guys. That's where we fed it to them.
Okay.
Brody might be out too. Yep, there he is. Let me get a good video of Brody real fast. This is our sulcata tortoise,
And Peter Rabbit.
and he is doing very good. He has grown really big this summer.
Look it. There's Brown Sugar and here's Peter Rabbit.
Open the top so you can show.
This is Brown Sugar's top where she gets food. And this is Peter Rabbit's hutch.
Peter Rabbit doesn't like people very much.
Let's open it. There it is.
Excuse me.
Out of the bushes.
Yep, be careful. Don't step on him.
I see his head.
Oh, Brown Sugar's thirsty.
Opening.